new bust down on my wrist. It's out of my trip, swim with the fist. It's out of my whip, look like a fish. Switchery up the side of my kicks. China plate, China dish. Dubai whips, Dubai trips. Foreign chips, foreign chicks. Shot when I land exotic trip. Exotic whips, exotic trips. Exotic kids, exotic biz. Shot when I land exotic trip. Exotic whips, exotic chips. Exotic trips.
Shit when I land exotic trip. New Amsterdam, no smoke, I got gift. $9,000, that's just for the fit. In Dubai, driving a whip like my shit. Clutching the gear, I'm making this shit. Doing the dash, I'm clutching the gas. And $5,000 kit. Foreign exchange, checking on profit. 20 on the watch, ain't never clock in. Blood on my shoes, you know I'm popping. Louis turban around my head like a ladder. Gucci belt on that, I'm still sagging. Catch me dabbing out at Durban. Shopping in Europe with a firm. Catching flights like I'm touring. I bought a foreign cause it was born. I'm counting foreign money till I start snoring. Lamborghini brought
So it's $5 for domestic.
Jackson, Atlanta International Airport.
You ain't getting there. You ain't even good. I mean, you getting there, but I'm just saying you ain't getting there.
These are all the 6th grade guys.
Graduated high school last year. Literally moved from Chicago to San Diego. Through there. Just basically, I've been involved in the company for the past 22 months. So pretty much, I saw the opportunity. The opportunity made complete sense to me. Literally, the concept made complete sense. If you can simply like just learn the skill set of building real wealth from your cell phone without talking to anybody at all, it's like the conversations is different, guys. Right? So you gotta look at it like this. People graduate college, you know, 4 years making $60,000 a year, guys. I started off with no money, no network, no influence.
Yes,
so you can do the same thing, guys.
Hey y'all.
This opportunity shows so much about myself, that I'm a lot stronger. I'm really consistent. I'm actually very disciplined. I'm actually very coachable. It showed a lot about me, and as well, since I was able to see that in myself, I want to show over thousands and thousands of other individuals, and especially my ladies, that y'all are able to do it as well. Just focus.
Leveling up in this business has really showed that, you know, with great power and great responsibility comes even greater sacrifice. You know, so throughout this business, I've just learned, you know, to love even more, to sacrifice even more, to increase my gratitude, increase my relationship building, and then from there, you know, the sky's been absolute limit.
It's done.
Yeah. But most people's annual income is, that's what they make per month. And you heard some of them 22, 23, 20, I mean, wow. 90, I mean, it's ridiculous. Now, Chairman 50, all it means is you've helped more people be successful. When you get up on this stage, it means that you've helped other people. That's what our lives are all about. How can we help the next person get to the next level?
One of the things that's done for me is allow me to finally say I can make NFL income without the NFL. Let's go! Because how I got into entrepreneurship was by way of getting cut by the Detroit Lions. I said, man, there's some way out there where I can make this type of income without having to put my body on the line every single day. I'm gonna get involved.
You got a real live superhero in this room right here.
Neighborhood heroes.
22 years old that has done something that people that have been in this industry longer than he's been alive that have never reached the level of income that he's been able to reach. I am so golly proud of this young man. He's 22 years old, and leading the way that he's leading right now. He is also a brand new Chairman 100. Did it earlier in the month of September, got it done right away right after the convention. Let's give a big round of applause to
The most rewarding thing for me today to be in here, I was telling Bryce just now, was like, I got all of my dogs up here, like all of my dogs, and we all did it in less than a few months. And I just want to say one quick thing, family. I want you guys to understand, besides God, obviously, that's brought us all together. David said it, the love, the unity, right? I want you to understand those two words that are bringing us here together, that are allowing us to celebrate each other. The most rewarding thing for me today, to be in here, I was telling Bryce just now, is like, I got all of my dogs over here, like all of my dogs. And we all did it in less than in a few months. And I know these people, I know their mothers, I know their fathers, I know why they're here, right? I know the troubles that keep them up at night that, allow us to grind. Because sometimes we do work off of pain. So to see all of them here telling their story, smiling, like, I could cry right now, so I won't talk too much. But I want everybody just to remember that love and unity will bring you to the top. It's not any of the products, it's not who's your upline, who's your downline, it's not how much money you have, how big your checks are. So I just want everybody to focus on what's really important. I love you all.
So the company that we have today, all right? The company that we have today, the opportunity that we all have today, wouldn't be here today if it wasn't for this gentleman. He also is a Chairman 100. He's been in this industry over a decade as well. Let's give a huge, huge round of applause to Garrett Roberts as he comes up. Yes, sir.
Phenomenal leaders that's up here. I can just cry just seeing this because it proves that working actually works. When you have belief, you really believe in where you're going and your future is all played out. You just gotta stay with the course and don't let anything hold you back, guys. So let's get it on. Bless David, appreciate you, Justin, phenomenal event to all the leaders, right? And guys, just plug into the people that are literally plugging to you every day, 24/7 around the clock, guys. They're literally working to help get you guys on the stage. So give it a round of applause to all of you.
In order to be successful, it will require a level of faith. Ooh. Because you can see all the success up here, you can hear all the stories, right? But it's really about the inner voice in you. One thing I can guarantee you, one of the reasons why we brought these leaders up here is so you can see the people that are going to be working with you to help you accomplish your goals. It's the talk of the industry. I've never heard of this. He just turned 23. Morehouse. Down the street, Morehouse College. He's been in the business 2 years. He was a Platinum 5000. You see Platinum 5000? 225 customers. He was a Platinum 5000 for 9 months. For 9 months, he was toiling. Nobody knew his name. I didn't know his name. I didn't need him until he went Chairman 10. I don't give edification, I don't give praise lightly. I don't. I just don't. But this gentleman, his humility, okay, his humility shows that he deserves that. It's not just the income that he earns, but it's the team that he's been able to lead, the leaders that he's been able to lead with, the type of unity that they have, the togetherness that they have, that's allowed them to get to this level. And let me tell you what he is. He's a representation to each and every one of you that is possible. If you believe that statement, I want you to stand on your feet and I want you to give the loud.
I've been on the stage, a few different times now. It feels a lot different. It feels a whole lot different now. I'm still getting used to it. So many people is, righteous. So I'm be honest, I'm still getting used to this. I haven't been living this life that long. And I actually realized my life was changing a lot. 2 days ago, I was in Houston with David at Steak 48. And a lot of you, he's probably paid for your meal. Anybody? Most of the people in this room. I realized my life was changing because David he's never allowed me to participate with my meal. But we're at Steak 48. We're at Steak 48, probably one of the nicest restaurants in Houston, to be honest. The nicest. He's ordering deviled eggs. We had a few cocktails, some fruit. ordered a steak. And at the end of our meal, the waiter, David, everybody knows David at that. Every waitress, waiter, David, you want your check? He's like, pass it to him. I was like, wow. Things are a lot different, and it's funny, I took the check, and I opened it, and I'm like, I've never been so proud to swipe my card. I'm Mr. David Manite. So one more time. You know, it's funny, you know, so many people, you know, see me and, you know, they're thinking I'm gonna talk about things that I've done. And a lot of times I've been on the stage, I always say, you know, we and our organization, things we do in our group. And, you know, it's funny, November 5th, 2018, I hit Chairman 10. And I'm gonna say I right now, but back then, November 5th, we hit Chairman 10.
Let's give these ladies one more.
We do events at this location every Tuesday here in Atlanta.
Yes, sir. What you gonna do tomorrow? Crazy event in Atlanta, man. They shut it down, packed it out. Success stories left and right on the stage. Six-figure earners left and right on the stage. Millionaires left and right on the stage. You should have been in the middle. Let's get it, let's go. We out.
Me too, Chairman. Hey,
New bust down on my wrist, Zat in my drip, swim with the fist, Zat in my whip, look like a fish, jewelry up, the side of my kicks, shine the plate, shine the dish, Dubai whips, Dubai trips, foreign chips, shot when I land inside it, drip, Zati whip, Zati trip, Zati